Good morning everyone. How are you all this winter morning? I am hoping you all to be fit and fine. And today we are going to solve the exercise of chapter number 14, that is am, is and are. Okay, so before we solve the exercise, I will just give you the little introduction, or I would say we will revise whatever we had learned in the previous lecture. Okay, so the use of am, is and are. First of all, am, is and are helping verbs, but they are sometimes used as main verbs in the sentences. These three helping verbs are the verbs of present tense. That means they are always used in the sentences of present tense. Okay, now their use. Am is always used when there is I as the subject. जब भी किसी भी sentence में subject I होता है, so am we use with it. Okay, like I am a teacher, I am teaching. Okay, I am a student, I am going to market. Okay, I am having a beautiful dress, etc. etc. And here is always used with singular subjects. Alright, now what are singular subjects? Like if we are talking about some singular person, right? For example, Meera. Okay, we are talking about only one person here, so that is will be our singular subject. Then he, she, it. Okay, this, that, etc. Okay, all these will be our singular subjects. Okay, so we will use is with all these type of subjects. Alright, then plural subjects. We always use are as the verb when the subject is plural. हम हमेशा are को as a verb use करते हैं और as a helping verb use करते हैं जब हमारा जो subject होता है वो plural होता है. ठीक है, that means हम एक से ज़्यादा चीज़ों के बारे में जब बात कर रहे होते हैं किसी भी sentence में, तो जो verb हम use करते हैं, जो helping verb हम use करते हैं वो है are. Okay, I am talking about present tense sentences. Alright, so now what are plural subjects? Like we, you, they, these, those. Okay, like girls, boys. All right, girls, boys. Is it visible? Yeah, not so much, but okay, like girls, boys, or with two person or two or more than two people. If we are talking about more than two cities, more than two things, or whatever it is. Okay, so now let's solve the examples. So for that you have to open page number 57 of your Pansy. Okay, 57. Page 57 of your first term Pansy book. First term English grammar book. Okay. So on page number 57, question number A is given. The question is fill in the blanks with is, am and are. Okay. So we have to fill in the blanks with is, am, are. Okay. So the first sentence is I dash Vivek. I dash Vivek. So this is the most easiest one. I told you already that when I will be there as a subject, when I is there as a subject, we always use am with I. Okay. So I am Vivek. Okay. मैं विवेक हूँ. I am Vivek. Second sentence is The milk dash pure. The milk dash pure. Okay. Have you opened page 57? If not, then do it fast. The milk dash pure. Just a moment. The board is not visible. Yeah, done. So the milk dash pure. Here the milk. अभी फिर आ गई पुरानी बातें. कौन सी बातें? काउंटेबल अनकाउंटेबल नाउन पढ़ा था हमने. ऑफ कोर्स पढ़ा था. Milk is what? Countable noun or uncountable noun? Can you count milk? No. So the milk comes under countable, uncountable nouns. ठीक है. एंड जो भी अनकाउंटेबल नाउन्स होते हैं वो हमेशा सिंगुलर फॉर्म में एग्जिस्ट करते हैं. इज इट क्लियर? अनकाउंटेबल नाउन्स ऑलवेज कम्स इन सिंगुलर फॉर्म. सो हियर आवर सब्जेक्ट इज सिंगुलर. एंड व्हाट डू वी यूज विद द सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट्स? वी यूज इज. We always use is with the singular subjects. Okay, so the milk is pure. दूध शुद्ध है. Okay, the milk is pure. Then Sunday dash the first day of the week. Sunday dash the first day of the week. Okay guys, Sunday dash the first day of the week. Sunday here we are talking about only one day, है ना? एक ही दिन की बात करिए. That means our subject is singular, and with singular subjects, what do we use? Is. Sunday is the first day of the week. Okay. Then sentence number 4. The cat and the mouse dash in the field. The cat and the mouse. So इतना बड़ा ये जो है ना, ये पूरा सब्जेक्ट है. The cat and the mouse. In the subject, sorry, in the sentence we are talking about the cat and the mouse. Okay, so this is the subject. That means we are talking about two animals, cat and the mouse. Dash in the field. Okay, so our subject is plural, right? It is not singular because we are talking about two animals, cat and the mouse. So the cat and the mouse is in the field. Should I write or are in the field? We use are with the plural subjects. Okay, so the cat and the mouse are in the field. Is it becoming clear to you? I hope so, right? Try to understand this. Don't think that it is, beyond your level of understanding. All these things are very easy if you will pay attention. Okay? So the cat and the mouse are in the field. Then the sentence number 5 says, this pencil dash very hard. This pencil dash very hard. Okay, this pencil dash very hard. This, you can identify here the sentence is having this. This is the subject of what? It is a singular subject, right? This pencil, ये pencil. Okay, इधर एक ही pencil की बात हो रही है. अगर ज़्यादा pencils की बात हो रही होती तो we would have written pencils. Here we are talking about only one pencil. That means our subject is singular, right? And with singular subject we use is. This pencil is very hard. ये pencil बहुत hard है. Okay. Then sentence number 6. The fish dash in the water. The fish dash in the water. The fish, we are talking about one animal here. in the water. अब बेटा अब आप बोलेंगे कि सिंगुलर एंड प्लूरल में आपको मैंने बताया था कि फिश, सिंगुलर में भी फिश होता है, प्लूरल में भी फिश होता है. तो नाउ यू मे गेट कंफ्यूज्ड हियर कि हियर वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द सिंगुलर फिश और द प्लूरल फिश. तो लेट मी मेक इट क्लियर फॉर यू. वी हैव यूज्ड द and it represents singular subject. Okay, if this subject will be plural na, fish, only fish would have written here. Okay, so fish is in the water. Now just write it. I am getting aside and then I will write the other things. Okay, I am getting aside. Pause the screen and write. After 2 seconds, I will rub the board. Okay, done? Good. Now 7th sentence. I dash in the second standard. Page 57. Okay, don't forget that. So I dash in the second standard. Now I had told you many a times that if I is there as a subject, what are you going to use? You have to use am. I am. I am in the second standard. Okay? Then 8th. All the books dash new. Wow. All the books dash new. All the books dash new. Here we are talking about all the books. सारी books के बारे में बात करें. अभी सारी book में एक book नहीं है ना. There are so many books. More than one books. Right? So it is a plural subject. So all the books. Now you tell me. Am तो नहीं आएगा because am आता है I के साथ only. All the books. We have 2 options remaining. Is or are. Is we use with the singular subject. Here our subject is not singular. Our subject here is plural. So all the books are new. Alright. All the books are new. Sentence number 9. She dash pretty. She dash pretty. Pretty. She dash pretty. So she is a singular subject or a plural subject? It is a singular subject. That means we will write is. So she is pretty. Right? Then number 10. The boys dash careless. The boys dash careless. Here we are talking about boys, है ना? Boys में आएगा plural subject है ये. हम बहुत सारे boys के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. So the boys are careless. Now the remaining 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. All the remaining 5 sentences, they are homework for you. Do it, fill it up with is, am, are and send it to me. Okay? So all the 5 sentences are homework for you. Okay. Now write this. I am coming. Okay, children. So I hope it is done. If the board is not clear, see, it is clear now. Do it fast. And on this note, I would like to end the lecture here only. The remaining 2 questions we will do in the next lecture. Okay. So till then, just do your homework, because this thing is not so easy for you. So just do your homework properly, send it to me, I'll check. And till then, take care of yourself, stay fit and fine, eat properly and study hard. Bye bye.